guys, and today I'm going to be going over my top 5 rim designs here at the 2019 Miami International Auto Show. And that's because boring is not an option, riding in style is. So let's get started. One of the vehicles that is going to make it to my top 5 rim designs here at the 2019 Miami International Auto Show is going to be the rims on the 2020 Toyota Avalon TRD. We have a center cap that says TRD, and it is going to be embossed with red lettering. You're also going to have your red brake calipers and a 7-spoke rim design, which is going to be split to make it look like it's 14 spokes. And these are going to be exclusive rims to the TRD, so that is going to add to the wow factor of these rims, and that is one of the reasons why it is going to make its spot on this list. And the next vehicle that made my list for the top 5 rim designs at the 2019 Miami International Auto Show are going to be the rims on the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. This is the limited model here, and it has a very intricate rim design. You have your brushed satin aluminum exposed over here with dark gray metallic inner pockets, and all in all it looks extremely attractive and will definitely be eye-catching when you're rolling down the road. Alright, here goes the next rim design. Can you guess what it is? It's a Volkswagen. This is the 2019 Volkswagen Beetle. Even though we are going to be saying goodbye to the Volkswagen Beetle in the United States, the rim designs are definitely something that will not be forgotten. The center cap is this very bold chrome portion that does radiate all the way out to the sidewalls, and then you have the white portions that come towards the center, towards the very large VW center cap. And all in all, this rim design is a very bold and in-your-face design. Even though it doesn't have lots of angles like what most of the industry is going towards, it has that very quirky and in-your-face design, and this is very, very unique, and no other vehicle at this auto show really in production has a rim design this unique, and therefore it definitely deserves a spot on this list. Alright guys, now at this point in the video, I would truly appreciate if you would please subscribe to the Drive and Be Driven YouTube channel, as well as leave this video with a like. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know which vehicle you think deserves the #1 spot in this top rim design list. Now the next rims on this list come from a vehicle that has made this 4-leaf clover logo very recognizable in the States, and that goes to the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The overall rim design here is a 5-spoke design, but it is going to split out into 2 spokes, almost reminiscent of the 4-leaf clover design, except it is going to be 5 spokes on your rims here. And you're also going to have really bold and prominent and in-your-face red brake calipers, which actually complement the overall color of this vehicle as well. Now the next rim design that finds its way onto this list are from the Lincoln Aviator, and this is the Black Label edition. And just looking at these rims, immediately it looks like it has endless spokes, and it's almost like a vortex. It has a forward motion to it, but a very subtle forward motion to it with the addition of these forward notches here. But all in all, it is pretty much of a straight design here, and it is going to have a total of 12 spokes, which is going to break out into 2s. So it is going to make up for a total of 24 spokes, which is absolutely incredible and definitely has a very impactful initial impression. All right, well there you have it. There goes the list for my top 5 rim designs here at the 2019 Miami International Auto Show. I am at the Lincoln exhibit, which is beautifully set up here at the auto show, and I have to say the exhibit is almost as nice as the rims on the Lincoln Aviator Black Label, but not quite, because those rims are quite spectacular looking. But all in all, I really love the overall exhibit that Lincoln does have set up here, as well as the rims that I nominated for the top 5 rim designs here at the show. That's it for this video. Comment and tell me what you would like to see in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Marcus, and thanks for watching Drive and Be Driven. Keep it positive, and I'll see you next time. You can become a Drive and Be Driven driver today. Just simply click the subscribe button and you will become a part of the Drive and Be Driven circle. Subscribing will allow you to stay up to date with the Drive and Be Driven YouTube channel. Thank you to all of my current Drive and Be Driven drivers for driving me towards my goals and dreams. Stay subscribed for more awesome videos like this one.